Are you experiencing coding failures and resource wastage? Do you want to enhance your coding adhesion and productivity? We have a solution for you. Our online training, Optimizing Coding Adhesion, Techniques, Mechanisms, and Practical Training for Superior Results, is specifically designed to cater to your needs. Our skilled training expert will provide you with comprehensive guidance on the techniques and mechanisms required to improve your coding adhesion. You can attend the live online session, or with our flexible online format, you can learn at your convenience, and course materials and resources are accessible 24/7. This online training covers a wide range of topics, such as adhesion mechanisms, surface preparation, coding material selection, application methods, and common adhesion problem troubleshooting. You will gain a thorough understanding of the scientific principles behind coding adhesion and learn how to apply them to optimize your manufacturing process and produce consistent, high-quality results. Attending this online training will give you a competitive advantage in your industry by enhancing your coding efficiency, minimizing waste, and increasing your profitability. Take advantage of this fantastic opportunity to improve your coding adhesion skills and register for our online training today. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.